Most of the time after giving an entrance, we have been hearing from the aspirant that we were not able to perform the best. Are we really prepared? Is just taking up a tuition or selecting a guide the right method to clear your entrance? No, my friends. You need to understand your exam thoroughly, then and only then you will be able to perform your best. Today, I, Vineet Chauhan from PROTON Education, will be talking on one of the world's most famous entrance, that is IELTS. We will start from the initials of it to the exam pattern, to the scoring pattern, and every detailed structure of IELTS will be discussed today. Whether you are appearing for this entrance or not, you should listen to this video. It would be a good knowledge enhancement for every one of you. So stay connected till the end. Let us start with the full form of it. International English Language Testing System is the full form for IELTS. It was started in the year 1980 and today, in a year, around 3.5 million students are appearing for it. Approximately 10,000 plus universities are accepting its score in 140 different countries. Who are the conducting bodies for IELTS? There are two major conducting bodies. One is the British, another is the IDP. How do I understand which IELTS to be taken? There are two divisions here. One is the academic, second is the general part. Now, academic IELTS is for somebody who wants to pursue their career educationally outside. So, in short, somebody who wants to go on a student visa has to appear for IELTS academic section. And somebody who wants to go as an immigrant has to appear for IELTS general section. There are many myths associated with the selection of exams and appearing of exams and selection of the bodies for IELTS. At the end of this video, I will make sure all your myths are cleared. What is the exam format for IELTS? As you can see it on the screen, it is divided in 4 sections: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Listening is of 30 minutes, 4 sections, 40 questions. Reading is of 60 minutes, 3 sections, 40 questions. Writing is of 60 minutes, 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. Speaking is 14 to 17 minutes, 3 tasks. Listening, reading and writing are taken on one day and speaking is taken on other day, not on the exam day of listening, reading and writing. Total time is 2 hours 45 minutes and exam fee is approximately 13 to 14,000 depending upon what pattern of exam you are choosing. Maximum marks is 9 band and the score is valid for 2 years. Is it the same pattern for academic and general? No. Listening and speaking is same for both of them. Just the difference is with the reading and writing pattern. In depth I will get into my other videos where I will be teaching the entire sections. Now what is the scoring pattern for IELTS? For listening section, as it is same for both general and academic, as you can see it on the table, band 9 score out of 40 questions, if your 39 or 40 are correct, you get 9 out of 9. Similarly for 8.58, 7.57, entire score is given. For reading section, for academic, 39 to 40 will give you a 9 band. Out of 40 for general, you need 40 questions correct. For 8.5, 37, 38 would be correct for academic and same 39. As you can see, for general the scoring pattern is a little higher than academic, but nothing to worry about. The preparations of academic and general can be done in the same classroom. Need not worry, need not find a different tutor for everything. Now coming to the writing pattern. Examiners use assessment criteria to award a band score for each of the 4 criteria. The 4 criteria are as stated: task achievement for task 1, task response for task 2, coherence and cohesion for both the tasks, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy. Again, there are a lot of myths with writing section available. Let's see, I will be clearing all your myths till the end. The last section, that is the speaking section. Examiners use assessment criteria to award a band score for each of the following 4 criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. These are the 4 things on which your speaking 9 bands would be weighted on. How is it scored? A 9 band is considered to be an expert user, 8 band scorer is considered to be a very good user, 7 band is considered to be a good user, and so on. But in this current situation, whether you are appearing for academic or general, 6 band each has been a basic requirement for any of those modules. As I had committed, I will clear the most common myths which are running around in a student's mind. Some say that appearing for British is easy or IDP is easy. My friends, there is no difference. These are just the conducting bodies of IELTS. So the scoring pattern, the correction pattern, the checking pattern, everything is the same. So need not worry if you are appearing for British or IDP. This is a myth that if you appear for this, you will score higher. If you are appearing for this, you will score lower. So that's a myth. Please remove it from your mind. The most funniest myth that I have found in people is going to a remote place will make you score higher. My friends, is it possible going to a village or a town and you score better in IELTS? So everybody would have appeared in either village or town. No, this is not possible. You are rated on your accuracy, your English, your fluency, and every criteria that they have decided. So remove this myth from your mind that you will score better if you are appearing it in a village or a town. Giving exam anywhere, you will score the same way. Again, one more common myth that I have come across is writing more words will fetch you more marks in the writing section. Is it possible if I write instead of 300 words, if I write 600 words, I will get double of the marks? No, not possible. You need to write it more accurately. You need to write it more perfectly and use proper grammatical sentences, make no errors, use proper coherence and achieve a better task response. You will for sure score the best. Last thing which comes across your mind, where should you be preparing your exam? We at Proton Education believe in giving you the best, whether in an offline module, that is a classroom module, or an online module, that is this YouTube module, you will get the best from us. We have a team of experts who will give you the best of the best advices, and cracking the exam would be very easy for you. Thank you for listening me. Thank you once again. Please subscribe to our channel.